Hi, this is Trey with Seizmik. Today we're going to show you the installation process for the new Seizmik full-size bed rack. We recommend laying out all the components for easier identification for following the instructions on assembling the bed rack. Tools needed for this installation are two 13mm wrenches and a tape measure. Locate the left and right side of the basket. We recommend to elevate them on a flat and level surface for easier installation. Next, place the adjustment plate inside the bed rack, lining the holes up. Drop 6 carriage bolts to the center holes in the plate, leaving the outside ones empty at this point. Slide the strengthening plate underneath the basket with the flat side facing up and secure with lock nuts. At this point in the process, all hardware should just be hand tightened. Next, add the front adjustment plate and attach with 4 carriage bolts. Add the rear adjustment plate by adding the carriage bolts and lock nuts. Now that the hardware is hand tight, we are able to adjust the basket to the dimensions needed to fit your machine. Since today we're installing on the Can-Am Defender, we're going to measure from the outside to the outside to be 58 3/8 inches. If you are installing on a Ranger, refer to the instructions for those dimensions. Now that the basket is fully assembled, we're going to move on to installing the sides. For easier assembly of the sides, tip the basket on its back edge and align the sides to the slots in the bottom of the basket. Use the hardware provided to secure the basket to the sides. Now that the sides are fully secured, line the gusset up with the sides and the bottom of the basket. Use the provided hardware to secure the gusset to the rack. There are 2 types of mounting hardware provided in the kit. For the Can-Am Defender, you will use the diamond-shaped steel plates. For the Polaris Ranger, you will use the round tube steel. Refer to the instructions on the mounting position for each machine. Now to install the bed rack onto the machine, you'll need an extra set of hands to help you lift it into place. Drop your bolt and washer from the top side. On the bottom side, put your diamond plate, washer, and nut on the inside and secure tightly. Now that your rack is fully secured, enjoy endless configurations for additional storage to help you do what you do better.